Hello, and welcome back to Tutorials Arena. Today we will discuss MCQs on topic computer organization. So let's get started. In which addressing mode is the operand's address generated by adding a constant value to the contents of a register? The correct answer is option C, indexed addressing. What is the primary purpose of the translation look-aside buffer (TLB) in a virtual memory system? The correct answer is option B, to speed up the translation of virtual addresses to physical addresses. In a four-stage pipeline, fetch, decode, execute, write back, what occurs during a structural hazard? The correct answer is option C. Two instructions require the same hardware resource simultaneously. Which cache write policy updates both the cache and the main memory simultaneously every time a write operation occurs? The correct answer is option B, write through. Booth's algorithm is specifically designed for which of the following operations? The correct answer is option C, multiplication of signed binary integers. Which of the following is a characteristic of a RISC, reduced instruction set computer, architecture? The correct answer is option C. Most instructions execute in a single clock cycle. In cycle stealing DMA, how does the DMA controller access the system bus? The correct answer is option B. It transfers one word of data at a time by pausing the CPU for one bus cycle. A memory system has a total of 1,024 blocks and uses a four-way set associative mapping. How many sets are there in the cache? The correct answer is option D, 256. In the IEEE 754 single precision floating point format, how many bits are allocated for the exponent? The correct answer is option B, 8 bits. Which register in the CPU holds the address of the next instruction to be fetched from memory? The correct answer is option C, program counter, PC. What is the main advantage of using a hardwired control unit over a microprogrammed control unit? The correct answer is option C, faster speed of operation. In memory mapped I/O, how are I/O devices treated by the CPU? The correct answer is option B. They are assigned specific addresses within the same address space as memory. Which of the following is a data hazard in a pipeline? The correct answer is option A, read after write raw. What does SRAM stand for, and what is its primary use in modern computers? The correct answer is option B, static random access memory, used for cache memory. In a zero-address instruction format, where are the operands typically located? The correct answer is option C, stack. Which bus arbitration method uses a serial connection to pass the bus grant signal from one device to the next? The correct answer is option B, daisy chaining. What is the hit ratio in the context of cache memory? The correct answer is option B, the number of times the CPU finds data in the cache divided by total memory accesses. Which of the following occurs during the instruction fetch phase of the instruction cycle? The correct answer is option C. The instruction is loaded from memory into the instruction register. In the context of RAID, which level provides mirroring but no parity or striping? The correct answer is option B, RAID 1. What is the purpose of the valid bit in a cache line? The correct answer is option B, to indicate if the cache line contains a meaningful block of data. Which condition indicates an overflow when adding two signed binary numbers in 2's complement representation? The correct answer is option B, when the carry into and carry out from the most significant bit are different. What is memory interleaving used for? The correct answer is option C, to allow simultaneous access to different memory modules to increase bandwidth. In a microprogrammed control unit, where is the control information stored? The correct answer is option C, in the control memory ROM. Which interrupt type is initiated by an instruction in the program, e.g., a system call? The correct answer is option C, software interrupt. What is the locality of reference principle? The correct answer is option A, the tendency of a processor to access the same set of memory locations repetitively over a period of time. Which of the following describes a vector processor? The correct answer is option B, a processor designed to perform the same operation on large data sets, arrays, simultaneously. What is the function of the mask register in an interrupt system? The correct answer is option B, to enable or disable specific interrupt requests. In a 2-bit branch predictor, how many consecutive incorrect predictions are typically needed to change the prediction direction? The correct answer is option B, 2. Which of the following is an example of a compulsory miss in cache memory? The correct answer is option C, a miss that occurs the first time a block is accessed. Which component of the CPU is responsible for coordinating the flow of data and instructions between the CPU and other components? The correct answer is option B, Control Unit CU. Thank you for watching.